too tough.
So tiny.
What is your name?
Peyton,
Peyton, how old are you?
7 years old.
7? I mean, the R's are just coming thick and fast. I love that song.
Thank you.
So I was singing with you, but when the chair was turned. Not as good as you, to be honest.
Hey, Peyton, check this out. I was like, I know she's cute, because everybody's saying she's cute. And she sings amazing. And I try to fight it, and I turn first, because that's how awesome you were.
Thank you.
So now it's time for you to choose your coach.
I pick Will I Am.
Won't you sing me a sweet lullaby? Just the sound of the birds is something that I need. Won't you sing me a sweet
Welcome to Team Will. Aw, you're so adorable.
High five, great job.
I'll walk you to your family. Come on, baby. Adorable.
Peyton made this for you.
Oh, wow, you made this?
This is the story.
No way. Who wrote it all? You wrote it too?
Yes.
You're 7?